New day, new bag. Today, let's go back in time and talk about the history of Chanel.
Late 1800s sa France, lumaki si Gabrielle sa orphanage dahil maagang namatay ang nanay niya. Doon siya natutong manahit, hindi para maging fashion icon, pero para lang makasurvive.
One day, ako rin gagawa ng sarili kong pangalan.
Nang lumabas siya ng kumbento, she worked as a seamstress by day and cafe singer by night. Diyan nag-start ang nickname na Coco from the song Coco Rico na kinakanta niya. Eventually, she opened her first hot shop in Paris, the beginning of Chanel. Noong panahon na yun, lahat ng babae naka-corset pa. Pero si Coco, she said,
Bakit kailangan mag-suffer para lang magmukhang elegante?
kaya she designed clothes na simple, malinis, magaan. Styles that let women move, breathe, and feel free. And of course, the Chanel No. 5, the perfume na amoy confidence, hindi bulaklak. Coco wasn't just creating fashion. Ginagawa niya yung buhay na gusto niyang ibigay sa kababaihan. Elegance, practicality, independence. In 1955, she introduced something that would change luxury forever. At 71 years old, nilabas niya ang 2.55 flat pack, named after its birth month and year, February 1955. Lahat ng details may kwento. Chain strap, inspired by the nuns sa orphanage na may suot na chain case. Burgundy lining, kulay ng uniform niya bilang orphan. Mud bustle lock kasi she never married. Hidden pocket, sabi ng iba, dun niya tinatago ang love letters niya. Chic, meaningful, and may konting mystery. Very Coco. Taong 1983, pumasok si Karl Lagerfeld sa Chanel. He revived Coco's original design at tinagdagan niya ng interlocking CC turn lock, creating the classic flap na kilala natin today.
Hindi ko binago ang Chanel. Pinalaki ko lang yung legacy niya.
From Gabrielle, the girl who stitched her dreams sa loob ng kumbento, to Coco, the woman who turned simplicity into power, to the classic flap, the bag that carries a century of courage and elegance.
Kaya every time you hold a classic flap, hindi lang leather at chain ang dala mo. Dala mo ang kwento ng isang babaeng nagsimulang walang-wala, pero nag-iwan ng marka sa buong mundo. Because for Coco, luxury wasn't about price. It's about freedom. Freedom to move, to express, and to be you.